Are you guys looking for a fun treat to make for the kids? Look no further than this Christmas hot chocolate candy bar. This recipe is so simple and all you need are 3 ingredients. White chocolate melts, any brand, peppermint oil, flavoring, and then hot chocolate, of course. Make sure it is the one with the marshmallows, or you're going to buy tiny marshmallows separately. The very first thing you want to do is stick your melts in a microwave safe bowl and place that in your microwave for 1 minute. Then what you want to do is you want to sift your hot chocolate into a bowl. So once you have microwaved your chocolates for a minute, you want to go ahead and stir it up. Then you want to place your melts into the microwave for another 30 seconds. And while you are doing that, you want to take your hot chocolate and you want to lay it evenly onto some parchment paper. Once your chocolates are pretty much all melted, you want to add in a dab, just a small little dab, because this peppermint extract goes really far. It has a really big flavor. You want to dab that in and you want to mix up some more. So then you want to put your white chocolate on top of your hot chocolate, and the next thing you want to do, you just want to sprinkle on those small little marshmallows. Now you can add crushed peppermint candies or crushed candy canes to it, but because of the peppermint extract, I would advise against doing it, just because the flavor will be way too strong on the peppermint. So it's easier to just put these on top, and then this video will also be up on my YouTube channel, so you guys can go back to it on there and check out other recipes as well. So as you can see, I just added in some red icing and green icing just to make it a little bit more Christmassy. The icing is totally optional, so that's why I didn't include it in the ingredients list in the beginning of this video. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have seen by now, a lot of people just rip off a piece. You take a knife and you slice it off. And this is how your hot chocolate candy bar will come out.